And welcome back to another video in the Giveaway Gladiator build series, where we're building this 2020 Sting Gray Gladiator, and then we're going to give it away. Now today we are installing the Magnaflow Street Series catback exhaust system, and Magnaflow's been building exhaust for many years for the Jeeps, and they offer different applications for different models. For the Gladiator, they have 3 different kits available. They have an OE style single outlet exhaust. They have a rock crawler kit that features a single tucked away exhaust tip to give you maximum clearance off-road. And then they also have the kit we're installing today, which is their Street Series that has a muffler that's nice and aggressive sounding. It's a 3-inch pipe that goes back, splits into dual exhaust, and then you have those large bell tips for that custom exhaust look. So first let's show you how to install it, and then we're going to give you some more real-world sound clips. Start with the factory ball clamp between the muffler and catalytic converter. Loosen the bolt until that ball clamp moves freely. Unbolt the factory exhaust hanger starting at the muffler, working your way back to the tailpipe, making sure to note their orientation. Once the exhaust is loose, it's easiest to slide it out through the back with the suspension drooped all the way out. To make it even easier, cut the exhaust in half and remove it in 2 pieces. Use a small screwdriver to pop the retaining clip up and remove the factory ball clamp from the old exhaust. And then install it onto the Magnaflow ball flange. Install the Magnaflow muffler assembly up against the OE cat pipe. Then you can slide the OE ball clamp into position. Install one of the 3-inch clamps over the bell end of the mid-pipe and slide it into position. Reinstall the middle exhaust hanger onto the frame, and then reinstall the cross-member exhaust hanger. Make sure to use a little blue Loctite on all those hanger bolts. Install the Magnaflow mid-pipe. The bell end slides over the muffler pipe while the exhaust hanger rods slide through the OE exhaust hangers. Slide the other 3-inch clamp onto the Y-pipe and install the Y-pipe onto the end of the mid-pipe. Snap the nut clip into the lower hole on the outside of the passenger side frame rail. Use a little soapy water to lubricate the Magnaflow rubber hanger and then slide it over the passenger side tailpipe hanger rod. Install the Magnaflow exhaust hanger bracket onto the passenger side frame rail using the supplied bolt. Remove the tailpipe hanger from the factory tailpipe and install it onto the Magnaflow driver's side tailpipe assembly. Install the 2.5-inch exhaust clamp onto the tailpipe assembly, slide the bell end onto the Y-pipe, and then start tightening down the clamps. It is best to go slow, slowly tightening all the clamps a little at a time, adjusting the exhaust placement as you go. Once you have everything snugged up and in position, then fully tighten all the hardware. Last, make sure the exhaust tips are lined up in the same position, left to right, up and down, and their stick out. Now Magnaflow rates the exhaust sound as aggressive on the exterior and moderate on the interior, and we found that to be fairly accurate. When you get on it, it definitely sounds more aggressive than stock, and that's nice. But as you're driving down the road or at highway speeds, it's not overly loud, annoying, or drony, and that's really nice. So now you've heard this Magnaflow Street Series catback exhaust that we installed in the giveaway Gladiator. What do you think? Let us know in the comments down below. And then, is this sound aggressive enough for you? Is this what you're looking for your Wrangler JL, your Gladiator JT, or even your Wrangler JK? If so, hit up the description box for links to where you can get the Magnaflow line of exhaust products here at Northridge 4x4. You'll also find links to where you can enter to win the giveaway Jeeps, that Hella Yella 2021 giveaway Wrangler, and this 2020 Sting Gray Giveaway Gladiator. Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you again soon.